As a premise to harmonize with the natural landscape surrounding it, we find in São Roque, in the state of São Paulo, the countryside house Boomerang, designed by the architects of In-House. Located on a carefully chosen steep terrain with a wide view of a golf course, this residence was designed to provide comfort, privacy, and sustainability for its residents. The house, which features 3 suites spanning 350 square meters, was positioned to minimize earth movement, respecting the terrain's topography and preserving the surrounding landscape. The main objective of this house project was for it to seamlessly integrate with the landscape, providing comfort and sustainability. Additionally, the residence was designed to reflect a peaceful countryside lifestyle, away from the bustle of the city. All areas of the house have visual contact with the exterior and integration between spaces, promoting interaction among residents and/or visitors, both in the living, dining, kitchen, and deck with barbecue and pool areas. The house benefits from abundant natural light and cross-ventilation, eliminating the need for air conditioning in the living area and promoting a healthy and comfortable environment. Its entrance is almost hidden in the slope of the plot. The walls are clad in brown bricks, providing warmth and durability, as well as a timeless aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. The discreet and integrated facade provides residents with visual and acoustic privacy. It is noteworthy that its boomerang-shaped layout gave rise to the project's name. The Gourmet area features a side with movable wooden muxarabi panels that protect against excessive sun and wind. Burnt cement floors with tiled patterns confer an artisanal and rustic finish, reinforcing the welcoming atmosphere of the countryside house. The windows feature wooden shutters with a muxarabi pattern. In addition to providing privacy, they add sophistication and dynamism to the interior spaces, creating a unique interaction with light and the surrounding landscape. Sustainable solutions, including photovoltaic panels, solar heating, use of reforested wood, rainwater harvesting, and septic treatment, ensure energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact. The Boomerang House realizes the residents' dream of a countryside home, where the couple can now enjoy moments of relaxation and also engage in remote work more tranquilly in their routine.